welcome to video 2 of the Seller Services series. Today I'm going to show you how to receive payment for your cookbook sales. So the most important thing about this is to go to your payment settings. Right here you get to choose whether you'd like to be paid via PayPal or check. PayPal, when we pay out, you get paid the same day that we issue payouts. With a check, you could look at a week to 2 weeks, just depending on how long it takes that check to make it to you, how long it takes for your bank to deposit the check, all that. So we do recommend PayPal. It is a little bit faster, but again, totally up to you. Now keep in mind, we only pay out in the month after you hit $100 in sales. So if you hit $100 in sales in May, you get paid out at the end of June. All right. Residency information, you'll have to just input this. Your taxpayer information, you put your full legal name, your street address, city, state, country, zip code, and phone number. Now keep in mind, Seller Services is only available in the United States. We do not currently support Seller Services outside of the United States. Now if you are an entity like a 501c3 or you're a business, you can use your tax ID instead of your social security number. But if you're a person who does not own a business, this is not a business transaction, this is a personal, you get paid personally, you're gonna have to use your social security number. So if you have questions about that, please feel free to reach out. We'll clarify anything you need. If you're not sure, just email support@CreateMyCookbook.com and we can absolutely help you out there. So that is this video. Check out the next video to see how to track your sales.